In this video, I'm going to show you keyboard shortcuts in Lightroom that I use all the time and really speeds up my editing process. So the first one I use is the backslash key for before and after. You've got your YY down here you can click on, but you've got to use your mouse for that. But if you just do backslash, you've got your before and then you click it again and you go to after. And that can be really useful to see if you've over edited it. So sometimes you want to look at how far you've gone from the original picture that you've taken. So that's it, backslash, hit it once, goes to before, hit it again, and then you've got after. So shortcut 2 is L. So press L on your keyboard and you get lights out. You press it once, about 90% of the screen darkens. Press it again and it totally is black now. So that's really good. If you stand back a little bit, you can really help view your image without anything distracting on the side. So that's L. So press it again, you go back, press it one more, 90% out, and then full lights out. The next shortcut is P. So if you press that, it will pick your photos, flag as pick it says. So if you're going along your film strip and just press in P to select all the ones you want, it really speeds it up. And then you go down to the filter here for flag photos, it will save them all here on the left hand side in the film strip. V is a useful shortcut. If we've ever been editing and we want to see what it looks like in black and white, just press that and it'll take us over to a black and white version. Press it again and we go back to colour. So this next shortcut is a few shortcuts combined together. So we're in the develop module, we press R and we come up with the cropping tool. But while we're with the cropping tool, if we're to press X, it will then toggle between landscape and portrait. So that can be really helpful when we're trying to get the right composition. But then we can press O, and then it will give us different crop overlays. Again, something that's really useful and really speeds up the workflow. I is a useful shortcut. If you press that, you get different information about your picture. We see there, it tells us the date and time. And it also, if you press it again, tells us the shutter speed, the F number, the ISO, and the focal length that we used as well. If you press it again, it just turns it off. So this next one is probably my favourite out of all the shortcuts. I only came across it recently, and you have to select 2 or more images. So I'll do that on the film strip down here. I'll select 5 images there, and I'll press the letter N. And this takes us into survey mode, and that's really brilliant. You can select which photos and you can compare in survey mode, so that's fantastic. So that's probably my favourite one. To get out of there, just click on one of the pictures you want to select, or press D to return to the develop module, or press G to go back to the library module. So that's my Lightroom shortcuts that I wanted to share with you. I use them regularly and it really does speed up the editing process. There's many more as well, but these are the ones that are most familiar to me. So if you've liked the video, please like and subscribe. And once again, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.